this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another product, guys. This time I have a case for an older version of Samsung Galaxy phone to make it look more as a newer version. I have Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So this look more as S25 Ultra. So I'm gonna change this cover. I have old cover, you can see here. So make it more look new. This is a lovely looking casing. You see fashion casing. Price little bit higher, so is in little bit higher quality product. Price could be 6, 7 or 10 euros, depend where you are, or dollar. Packaging, you see new phone case, good quality fashion case. Still in budget, not killing you. You have to not to pay an arms and leg for this one. So I'm gonna take this off from here. Let's see what. Here we go. Take this off. This is sticker for sure. Wow. As I open, I feel lovely texture at my hand, rubberized grip. As the body of a phone, some of the phone has this type of body. Nokia phone that used to have. Wow, is a quality product, guys. I like this one. How I feel here, you have magnets. Design Samsung is written. Wow, very quality casing indeed. Take this off from middle. Here you see the magnet. This side here, how it is. It will protect everything. You see the button here. You have a hole underneath the button, so you have flexibility of gripping, and you have a glass. These are glass, guys, so it will protect your camera as well. Cover the camera, the sensor are open, but the camera protected. At the bottom you see how it is. Here you can see the hole. This is, it has a S Pen, so the place for S Pen and charging port. Lovely. Wow. So what I'm gonna do, I will clean little bit here the glasses before applying this case. Look at this, guys, lovely. And here Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'm gonna take this off. I'm cleaning this off little bit, front as well, back especially. The edges of camera you can clean thoroughly. I clean properly. Now I'm gonna apply this one, the bottom first, and here wow, it goes inside. Lovely. Wow, it looks as the last version of Samsung. Wow, it looks a Samsung Galaxy S25, 24 here. To adjust little bit, all is fine. Look at this, guys, how beautiful it looks. Little bit deeper than my previous casing. I feel deeper as well. Tap here and open the cam. So cam is perfect visible. Everything looks clear and sharp as well. And the button you see here, if I press the button, everything is working good. Close, open, fine, lovely. Bottom you can see the holes are open properly. Lovely. It changed, it looks as another phone, more strong edges, no more sharp as before. But lovely, I like how it looks as the new phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.